Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, I thank you very much for giving me the opportunity, sir. Sir, first and foremost, the most important question I would like to ask through you to Honorable Minister, who is also Minister for Legislative Affairs, sir, is that what is the relationship between Musi and Miralam? Is Miralam part of Musi or Miralam is separate? As per my knowledge, sir, Miralam has nothing to do with Musi, sir. I don't know how did the office of a secretary have accepted such a question where they are talking about two subjects. One is Musi, one is Miralam. Sir, whenever any issue is raised in zero hour also, we are supposed to raise an issue pertaining to a single issue. Two issues, three issues cannot be clubbed in that. An Honorable Minister Sahab, who is also a Legislative Affairs Minister, is giving a reply. Sir, a member will give any question. It is the duty of the office of the Secretary, Legislative Affairs, that he should look into that, what is the concern, and he should correct the questions and then admit the questions. So I think it's high time that government should take a serious note in such things, and the performance needs to be improved. I hope they will take it serious and improve themselves and also this, sir. It is very sad, sir. Sir, further going ahead, sir, Honorable Minister Sahab had given a reply that consortium will study a plan, analysis, design, prepare and submit the following DPR in 18 months. Sir, through you I would like to ask specific questions because this is the question hour. When did this 18 months start? Because we are already hearing this Musi project right from the day the new government took oath, and it's 2 years now. So when have you given them this project to be studied? And what is the deadline? When is this 18 months ending? It is very important, sir. Sir, secondly, sir, when they call this Musi project, through you I would like to ask, sir, what is the originating point of Musi and the ending point of Musi? What is the total stretch of kilometers of Musi, sir? So now again in this answer, sir, here the Minister Sahab says that the project is divided into 5 zones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, MRDCL is taking up Zone 1, reaching 21 kilometers, Usman Sagar, Himayat Sagar. Sir, I would like to know, sir, what does he mean by saying this, reaching? Sir, I am not a very, very knowledgeable person, sir. The government, the bureaucrats, they have a lot of knowledge. They should tell, sir. Sir, I know, sir, आप भी वैखाराबाद से आते हैं, sir. जहां तक मुझे मालूम, sir, वैखाराबाद से वो आपके जो हिल्स है ना साहब ऊपर, आनंदगिरी हिल, सर, वहां से मूसी स्टार्ट होता है, जहां तक मुझे मालूम। तो मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा हूं, सर, मिनिस्टर साहब से, क्या आप मूसी प्रोजेक्ट को आनंदगिरी हिल से ले रहे हैं या नहीं ले रहे हैं? इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, सर। अगर ले रहे हैं तो आपने ये जो स्टडी के लिए जिसको भी जिम्मेदारी दी है, क्या आपने उनको ये भी जिम्मेदारी दी है कि आनंदगिरी हिल से आप खत्म जहां तक हो रहा है वहां तक स्टडी करना है? क्या ये 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 में वो इंक्लूडेड है या नहीं है? काइंडली इसका भी जवाब दीजिए, सर। और एक चीज मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा हूं, सर, यहां पे इसमें बोले हैं कि उस्मान सागर एंड हिमायत सागर बोल के बोले हैं साहब, बापू घाट तक 55 किलोमीटर, सर। सर, मैं ये भी जानना चाह रहा हूं, सर, कि इसमें आपने डिफेंस की लैंड के बारे में जिक्र किया है। सर, इसमें प्राइवेट लैंड्स कितने हैं? इसमें दूसरे प्रॉपर्टीज कितने हैं? उसका पूरा डिटेल क्या आप देंगे? और सर मैं आपके जरिए यह भी जानना चाहूंगा सर कि हिमायत सागर, उस्मान सागर को आप गोदावरी से पानी डालने का अपने जवाब में आपने कहा है, तो मैं ये जानना चाह रहा हूं क्या सीधा गोदावरी में से उठा के डाल रहे हैं या गोदावरी में से कोई एक प्रोजेक्ट बना के गोदावरी का पानी वहां पे स्टोर कर कर उसके बाद वहां से आप पंप कर रहे हैं, या फिर आप कैसे लेके जा रहे हैं? वो रास्ता क्या है जो पानी वहां तक जा रहा है? उसके ऊपर मैं चाहूंगा कि आपके जरिए मिनिस्टर साहब उसका भी जवाब दें सर। सर मैं ये भी जानना चाहूंगा सर कि आप हिमायत सागर, उस्मान सागर की बात कर रहे हैं सर, थ्रू यू आई वुड लाइक टू नो सर, what is the total catchment area of Usman Sagar and Himayat Sagar? What are the encroachments on the catchment area of Himayat Sagar and Usman Sagar? What is the plan for removing the catchment area, sir? Sir, as per my knowledge, sir, again I would say, sir, I am not a very knowledgeable person, but still, sir, थोड़ा बहुत जो मुझे मालूम है वो ये है कि सर इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ ఇందులో షార్ట్ న్యూస్, లైవ్ న్యూస్, ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ షోస్, మూవీస్, డిజిటల్ మ్యాగజైన్స్ తో పాటు మీ జిల్లా వార్తలను కూడా ఫ్రీగా చూడొచ్చు. ఇంకెందుకు ఆలస్యం, వెంటనే హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుని ఫ్రీగా ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ పొందండి.
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్.
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్.
ప్లీజ్ డౌన్లోడ్ హిట్ టీవీ యాప్.
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ ని ఫ్రీగా డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుని ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి.
మీకు నచ్చిన ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ కోసం హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ ని ఫ్రీగా డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుని ఎంజాయ్ చేయండి.
హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకుని ఆస్వాదించండి, ఆశీర్వదించండి.
ఇంతమంది సెలబ్రిటీలు హిట్ టీవీ యాప్ ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి అని చెప్తున్నారంటే ఎంత మంచి యాప్ ఆలోచించండి.
అమెరికా 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 అమెరికాలో చదవాలనుకునే వాళ్ళకి విశ్వసనీయమైన పేరు మన శౌర్య కన్సల్టెన్సీ.
UK లో 1 year masters, UK లో 1 year masters, 2 years work permit up to 5 years visa. Contact Saurya Consultancy.
Contact 89851 89851.